Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to hire someone from abroad and you want to monitor the work you have assigned to them, whether they are doing it rightly or not, or whether they are opening the right websites and not passing time and logging the hours fairly, then you need one software called Screenshot Monitor. I've already used this software. I'm already using it as well, but just wanted to share it with some of my friends who have asked me how I log my hours so that my clients pay me on time. So this is the software they have assigned me, Screenshot Monitor. If I show you the pricing of this software, it is absolutely free to get, but there are some the features that are limited. But if you go for a premium plan, then you can get so many other features. Like for free you are only able to monitor 3 screenshots per hour, which means when they log hours, only 3 times their screen gets captured through the software. But if you go for these paid plans, then you can see up to 30 screenshots per hour, up to 6 screenshots per hour for this one. Now it is up to you what you want to do with it. What I'm using is Screenshot Monitor, and my client is using the premium plan, and my 30 screenshots per hour are captured every time I use this software. To use the software, you need to download one client which is called Screenshot Monitor app, and it is available through the website itself. You will just need to download the app and then choose your team which has assigned you the work and start logging hours. Here you need to just type one message, which means you are working on that project, and simply start clicking here and your hours will be logged. Now once your hours are logged, a screenshot is captured. Here you can see this is the screenshot captured from one of my projects, and this is how the whole thing works. And by the end of the week, the employer can check these screenshots and see if the work is done fairly, if the log hours are logged fairly. If everything is okay, you get paid and the employer pays you. That's how it works. And if any of my friends who asked me about how I log my hours and how my employers pay me, now they know how they pay me by checking out all the screenshots that have been taken from my computer to see whether I'm logging my hours fairly or not. So if you are also looking to hire someone from outside and you want to monitor their work, then you can definitely go ahead with this kind of software, Screenshot Monitor. You can also go through the demo page from here and see how it all works. I'm just giving you the overview. So this is the demo. It is very easy thing. Just click on next and you will be able to complete the demo in few minutes. Now from pricing point of view, you can see it is not that costly. It is just 6.99 at the moment per month. This will help you monitor your teams that are not sitting in your office. It is a very important software. You need to ensure that whatever work you assign to a foreign contractor, they log their hours fairly and you are not overcharged or being scammed. So this is something that I highly recommend to everyone who is looking to hire remote teams. This will work wonders for them. If you have any questions, let me know. The link to this Screenshot Monitor will be in the description box and first pinned comment. Get it from there. Thank you.